Technocratic introducing high-efficiency centrifugal blower for laminar, dispensing booth, and air shower systems. It provides stable airflow, low vibration, low noise operation. It's suitable for clean room and GMP environments. Operate at 220 to 240 volts, single phase, and deliver high airflow, consistent high static pressure for HEPA filtration system. Especially ideal for air shower, laminar cabinets, clean booths, and controlled dust system. Continuous and reliable airflow required. Where you can use this. Here it is in PPGI material, very finished, with high static pressure. Speed is 2840 rpm with 1150 full pressure pascal and 2250 meter per hour is flow. And electricity consumed very low, only 1 kilowatt. We have in bulk. If you need, you can contact at Technocratics.